Hello, Professor. This is a short video to show you the settings in my server. I'm going to go ahead and start with server 1. And here are the settings. Here is the IP 1020-3041, or the settings for the network adapter right here, 103041. For the, I have server 2 running, server 3 running. And I'm going to move server 2 right here. This is server 3 actually. Server 2 is on the screen. It has also the settings as recommended, 1020-3042. And finally, this is my server 3 with the settings as 1020-3043 as recommended. Now, from server 3, I'm going to try to ping server 2. Timeout. I'm going to ping server 2 now. And nothing. Timeout as well. So I'm going to move on to server 2, which is this one on the screen. From server 2, I'm going to ping server 1. Timeout. I'm going to ping server 3 from here as well. That's for server 3. And nothing. So I'm going to move on to server 1, which is right here, and I'm going to ping to server 10, 20, 40, 10, 20, 30, 42 for server 2. And nothing. Now I'm going to ping server 3 again from server 1. $43. Okay, and nothing. So all of the servers have the same settings, and I'm looking here at the network settings, and I have it as indicated internal network. I play around with this one with the setting that says allows VMs and allow all and neither one. So I'm a little concerned here. What am I doing wrong? Because I spent quite some time in trying to figure out what's going on here. This is server 3, and we look at the settings, and we have the same settings right here, internal network. Okay. So any advice will be really appreciated, Professor. Thank you so much for your time. If you need to see any other settings that I cannot think of, please let me know and I'll send them over.